The overlap between island power systems and hybrid power systems is tremendous. The successful island power systems today are, by definition, hybrid systems. But the flip side of that, we don't need to be island power systems to have hybridization be highly valuable. So it would be a mistake to think that the learnings and the value of this is only for island systems, because that's certainly not the case.
I really like that this event is really focused, and then you get to know people from similar islands, and you get to share all of your experiences with them.
You have so broad topics from presentations from academic and technical world to the real cases and real case studies, and you can meet all of those people in the same event.
As a TSO like TransitBW, we are interested in microgrids and experiences with island grids like the Azores, and we can learn a lot from these environments. This can be a test environment, for example, for the use and control of battery storages, and we can implement these advantages and experiences to our system and to our larger system in the future.
Here you can discuss openly the problems of the islanded systems, and this is a very interesting market, and that require a big attention regarding the way how they produce the electricity they consume, and also to see about their contribution for the decarbonization of the economy and the society.